Right, so this question is money market hedge, to begin with at least, and it's all about a receipt. So as soon as we see money market hedge, we draw our little diagram, and then we remember that the top of the diagram is always abroad, the bottom of the diagram is always at home, and then when it's a receipt, it's borrowing at the top and deposit at home, and we are receiving money, so the bank will then buy that money off us, and they will therefore buy at the high rate. So let's put some numbers in them. We've got the 750,000 euros, that's the foreign currency, and we want the foreign borrowing rate. It's only 6 months, so we just have to be a little bit careful. So euros is foreign. Borrowing rate, 8% per year, so I want 4% for 6 months, so I will divide by 1.04. Okay, so we've got 750,000 divided by 1.04, that gets me to that figure there, 721,154. 721,154 euros. Cool, now I want to translate it at the spot rate, and the spot rate, there's no high or low in this question, so that's okay. So divide by 2.349. So divide by 2.349. That gets me to 307,005 in dollars. 307,005. And then I'm going to put that on my deposit account just for 6 months. So 1% a year. So times by 1.01, and I get 310,075, isn't it, in dollars? 310,075. So that's my money market hedge receipt. Also says do the forward rate, what they call the forward market hedge, same as the forward rate. Well, here's the forward rate there. So it's nice and simple. It's just 750,000 divided by 2.412. So 750,000 divided by 2.412, that will get me 310,945. 310,945. So would I rather receive 310,945 or would I rather receive 310,075? I would definitely rather receive the first one. So that minus 310,075, because I would be 870 better off, because it says evaluate, so I'm now evaluating it. I would be 875, I think it was 875, wasn't it? 870, sorry, better off by taking the forward market hedge. Okay, hope you've understood it all. And yeah, so just remember that you have to try and learn that diagram. I always learn the payment first, and then I just reverse it for the receipts. But yeah, hope you understood it.